The king hod's court at the Hairy Rood, there's lichts in ilka ha'. Of all the dancers gathered there, Meg Drummond shines maist braw. O' the finest gowd her lang, lang hair, her waist 2 hands would span, and gledsome, gledsome is her heart, King Jamie is her man. The grey Scots Lairds stand round the king, they deave the king to wed, but it isna Meg o' the gowden hair, they choose to share his bed. The English princess, sire, is fair, a marriage there would lead to English gowd, to English gear, 'twould serve the country's need. Sair deaved was Jamie by their words, sair deaved by night and day, but he thocht o' Meg o' the gowden hair, and I would answer them, nay. Drummond's woods are fine and fair, Drummond's fields grow green, oft in springtime would they walk the bonny birks atween. Oft upon a mossy bank they sat the day awa', and lood the bonny groves would ring with the laughter o' the twa. Aye, summer days are lang and licht, and summer days are warm. Little, little did she think her love might do her harm. Summer days are lang and licht, in the merry month o' June. Little, little did she think her days would end sae soon. Meg rade up to Stirling Toon, a tourney for to see, for weel she kent her Jamie love, the foremost there would be. As Meg rade up the braid street, the toon bells for joy did ring, and townsfolk cried, their gaze a bride, weel fit for ony king. E'en she'd come to the king's ha' door, and curtsied doon fu' low, wi' her sisters 2 at her back, they made a bonny show. The king made haste to raise her up, oh gladly he did her greet. There's no a lass in all my lands whose kisses are sae sweet. The grey Scots Lairds did glumph and glower, and grimly they did see, for weel they kent that happy hour, the ruin soon micht see. The king is doted wi' the lass, her een had him beguiled, her plans will all go ower the linn, gin she grows great wi' child. It only taks but ye sma sip, but ye sip at the wine. It only taks but ye sma sip, ye sip, her een shall tine. The candles now are guttering low, to bed the king doth cry, and he himself has lichted her to her chamber door sae high. Oh, had they but looked up to the chimney top above, a raven sat wi' glossy wing, what ne'er did caw nor move. Gladly, gladly raised the king at the dawn o' the day, but Meg and her sisters ne'er raise up, lay stiff and cold as the clay. Nae court did speer what way their death, whether sickness or poison dread. To Dunblane kirk at dead o' nicht their corpses come wi' speed. And Jamie Merritt, southern Meg, 9 years wi' her was he, but aye he thocht o' his other Meg, Meg wi' the Lochan E. And when on Flodden's fatal field our king lay wounded sair, a small voice come on the westland wind, come, love, we'll part nae mair. Ah, Drummond's woods are fine and fair, and Drummond's fields grow green. There's some folk say they still do walk the bonny birks atween.